How to appear offline on TikTok.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So if you want to appear offline on TikTok, then stick with me till the end of this video. So just open the TikTok app and click on your profile. And on the top right corner, you can see three horizontal bars. So just click on that bar and click on settings and privacy. And click on privacy over here. And make sure to turn off the activity status. If you do this, then you will appear offline whenever you are using TikTok. And the next step is go back and go to inbox, and here on the top just simply press on inbox and make sure to turn off the activity status. If you turn it on, then your friends can see you when you are online. If you turn it off, then your friends cannot see you even when you are online. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.